So today I'm going to show you how to hand letter on various surfaces.
Acrylics are perfect for wedding signages, keepsakes, place cards, table cards and bar signages. Here I'm using a 3mm acrylic sheet and an oil marker to letter. The effect of lettering on glass is unique and pretty as it gives a 3D effect. Oil markers are the best to write on glass. Just make sure to tap the marker to avoid ink blobbing on the glass. Glasses are a thoughtful, personalized gifts for all special occasions. Also, glass signages are a beautiful addition to your wedding decor. Calligraphy on paper is simply so satisfying. This is a metallic pink ink which is in a form of a watercolor cake. The nib I am using is Hero 40. Modern calligraphy is made of two strokes, up and down. Up stroke, that is bottom to top, is a thin stroke, so you do not apply pressure. The down stroke, top to bottom, is a thick stroke, so you have to apply pressure. This is what gives calligraphy its variations. Writing on rose petals requires a very delicate hand. I am using an oil-based marker which is best suited to letter on fresh petals, and it makes the perfect surprise for your loved ones on days like Valentine's, anniversaries and birthdays. Wooden surfaces are a bit uneven in texture, so for a smooth finish, I'm first painting the wooden slice. Then I'm using a white oil marker of 0.7 mm nib size. These wooden slices make great coasters, gift tags, place cards, etc. And a bigger size would make for a beautiful boho themed signage.
Hey guys, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.